One of the more difficult sensors to open up or even find is a glass break detector. We're going to go over a Honeywell glass break detector. This is most likely mounted in a room facing the windows, or it could be on the ceiling. In order to, once you find the glass break detector, you'll notice on the bottom part where it looks like a hole, just to the bottom of that on the edge, there is a little spot that has a dot where you can stick a flathead screwdriver. You take your flathead and you stick it in that little notch, and then you twist it, and the cover will pop open. It's on a hinge and it doesn't come off. It just flaps open. You'll see the battery right inside of the glass break detector. You just pull it out, and then you put your new one, and you can see where the positive and negative should go because it's printed right there on the green board on the bottom below the battery. And then you slide the new battery back in, and then you just push the lid closed and make sure it snaps into place. And that's it.